Hey guys, I've got some new information for you regarding this song that Avenged Sevenfold had talked about in May. They did an interview and they talked to the bassist Johnny Christ. He mentioned that they were working on a song and it was going to be special for Black Ops 4. He didn't say if it was going to be multiplayer or zombies, but they've done zombies in the past, so we're assuming that it's probably going to be for zombies this time for Black Ops 4. Now this interview was in May and they said at the time that they were almost done making the song and the lyrics and everything and that we would be hearing it in July, but we haven't yet. But I'll let you listen to that part of the interview.
You guys have been working on a tune for Call of Duty. Where are you at in the process?
The song's written. We're recording it right now. We just took a break in the city of recording it this last week, and we're going to finish it up this coming week, and then it'll go off to get mixed and mastered, and I believe sometime in July is when everyone will be hearing it for the first time.
Does it have a name? Can you give any sort of insight to music?
We don't have a name. We don't have a name for it yet. And Matt's figuring out the lyrics. I think he just finished them before we came out.
I can go help. Why don't we just go help him now?
Let's go help him
Dude,
out.
let's finish it up and get a fucking name.
But it is it's a fun song. It's a little bit of a departure from I think what our fans would expect. But I guess that also doesn't make sense because they expect crazy from us now.
Well, that's good. Was it written specifically for the game itself, or was it a tune that you had kind of around, or what's up?
It was specifically written for the game, but I mean it kind of became its own thing, you know. Like the guys over at Activision became friends through the years because we've done so many things for them with the Call of Duty stuff. Asked us if we could do an original song, and we said yeah, and so we started writing, and this is what came out of it.
So after seeing this interview and hearing them say that we were going to get to hear this song in July, we were all thinking maybe we're going to hear it during the Comic-Con Zombies panel in July. They had announced that they were doing a presentation during the 2018 San Diego Comic-Con, and it was mid-July. So we were thinking, yeah, this is going to be the perfect time. We were thinking that we might hear it during maybe the Blood of the Dead trailer if they were going to show that, or a classified trailer. We haven't seen that at all. Well, the 2018 Comic-Con came and went. They did their zombies presentation. They did show the Blood of the Dead trailer, but during that trailer, the music was like orchestra. There was no song that sounded anything like Avenged Sevenfold and definitely didn't have lyrics. So here we are mid-August and still nothing, but today something did show up, and it showed up on the Avenged Sevenfold YouTube channel. Earlier today, they posted a video on their YouTube channel. It was a little over 4 minutes long, and they're recapping the 2018 European Festivals tour. During this video, the band members are getting interviewed and they're talking a little bit about what's going on this year, and then at the very end there pops up the Black Ops 4 logo, and then you start hearing a song play. It only plays just a few seconds at the very beginning of this apparently new song, and hopefully what we're going to be seeing in Black Ops 4, and then hopefully zombies. I'll let you guys listen to the song. I'm going to play it twice because it is really, really short. So that is definitely sounding very metal and definitely sounds like it could be zombies. In the interview that I showed earlier, they were saying that this song is going to be really different and unique from what they've ever done before, but that intro didn't sound too crazy from what they normally do. A lot of people are speculating that this could be the song that we hear in the Classified trailer. And I'd like to agree with him because we've already seen Blood of the Dead trailer, we've seen 9, Voyage, we've seen the Blackout trailer, we've seen the multiplayer trailer. I mean, there's no more trailers left except for Classified. But this was definitely an unexpected place to see a teaser for Black Ops 4. But let me know what you guys think about this, and we'll see you next video.